Hello, am I audible to all of you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Now, आप सब लोग मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक। कभी आपने सुना पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक वर्ड?
No, ma'am.
पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक कभी मटेरियल नहीं सुना?
नहीं, मैम.
नहीं? चलिए आज हम पढ़ेंगे पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रांसड्यूसर। ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन विद यू ऑल। लेट मी नो दैट यू ऑल आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन। Is the screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we'll see piezoelectric transducer applications and its working principle. Now what is a piezoelectric transducer? A piezoelectric transducer, also known as piezoelectric sensor, is a device that uses the piezoelectric effect to measure changes in acceleration, pressure, strain, temperature, or force by converting this energy into an electrical energy. See how many energies can be changed: acceleration, pressure, strain, टेम्परेचर और फोर्स। इन सबको किस में कन्वर्ट करता है? आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल। नाउ अ ट्रांसड्यूसर कैन बी एनीथिंग दैट कन्वर्ट्स वन फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी टू अनदर। वी ऑल नो ट्रांसड्यूसर क्या करता है? एक एनर्जी को दूसरी एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है। नाउ द piezoelectric material is one kind of transducer. When we squeeze this piezoelectric material or apply any force or pressure, the transducer converts this energy into voltage. Now this voltage is a function of the force or pressure applied to it. Now the electric voltage produced by a piezoelectric transducer can be easily measured by voltage measuring instruments. Since this voltage will be a function of the force or pressure applied to it, we can infer what the force pressure was by the voltage reading. Now in this way, physical quantities like mechanical stress or force can be measured directly by using a piezoelectric transducer. Now you can see here, this is the piezoelectric material, stress, and then the readings can be taken. क्या होता है? सपोज दिस इज अ piezoelectric मटेरियल। जब हम उसके ऊपर से और नीचे से उसके ऊपर स्ट्रेस करेंगे, then their voltage can be taken, the readings of voltage can be taken in a voltmeter. This is the piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric actuator. A piezoelectric actuator behaves in the reverse manner of the piezoelectric sensor. It is one in which the electrical effect will cause the material to deform, that is, stretch or bend. That means in a piezoelectric sensor, when force is applied to stretch or bend it, an electric potential is generated, and in opposite, when on a piezoelectric actuator, an electric potential is applied, it is deformed or de-stretched or bent. You can see here piezoelectric material deformation. जब हमने इसके ऊपर अप्लाई किया तो ये क्या हो गया? अपनी पोजीशन से या अपनी जो इसकी शेप थी उससे डिफॉर्म हो गया, शेप इसकी चेंज हो गई। नाउ a piezoelectric transducer consists of quartz crystal which is made from silicon and oxygen arranged in crystalline structure SiO2. Generally, unit cell of all crystal is symmetrical, but in piezoelectric quartz crystal it is not. Piezoelectric crystals are electrically neutral. The atoms inside them may not be symmetrically arranged, but their electrical charges are balanced, means positive charges cancel out negative charge. The quartz crystal has a unique property of generating electrical polarity when mechanical stress applied to it along a certain plane. Basically, there are two types of stress. One is compressive and the other is tensile stress. You can see here, unstressed quartz, no charges are induced. Charges induced in one way, tensile in another. अब आप ये दो इन दोनों में difference देखो. All the errors are towards the quartz crystal. लेकिन हमारे टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ में क्या हो रहा है, बाहर की तरफ जा रही है. चार्जेस इंड्यूस्ड इन अदर वे. नाउ व्हेन देयर इज अनस्ट्रेस्ड quartz, no charges induced on this. In the case of compressive stress, positive charges are induced on one side and negative charges are induced in the opposite side. The crystal size gets thinner and longer due to compressive strength. Important है, note करो. क्रिस्टल साइज क्या हो जाएगा इसमें, जब हम कंप्रेसिव करेंगे थिनर हो जाएगा और लॉन्गर हो जाएगा ड्यू टू कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेस. Now in the case of tensile stress, charges are induced in reverse as compared to compressive stress and the quartz crystal gets shorter and fatter. Now a piezoelectric transducer is based on the principle of the piezoelectric effect. The word piezoelectric is derived from the Greek word piezo, which means to squeeze or press. इस मटेरियल को हम क्या करते हैं, स्क्वीज करते हैं. आपने देखा भी होगा जब हम उसके ऊपर स्ट्रेस कर रहे हैं तो क्या कर रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Now the piezoelectric effect states when mechanical stress or forces are applied on the quartz crystal, produce electrical charges on the quartz crystal surface. जैसे ही हम फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, उसके ऊपर electrical charge will be produced. Now the piezoelectric effect is discovered by Perry and Jacques Curie. The rate of charge produced will be the proportional to the rate of change of mechanical stress applied to it. Higher will be the stress, higher will be voltage. Piezoelectric material की यही characteristics होती है, क्या कि जितना हम उसके ऊपर फोर्स या स्ट्रेस अप्लाई करेंगे उतना ही इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज हम प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. Now one of the unique characteristics of the piezoelectric effect is that it is reversible, means when voltage is applied to them they tend to change dimension along with certain plane. अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे, फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे थे तो क्या हो रहा था, वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूस हो रही थी. लेकिन अगर हम वोल्टेज अप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, देयर विल बी अ चेंज इन द डायमेंशन. That is, quartz crystal is placed into an electric field. It will deform quartz crystal by an amount proportional to the strength of the electric field. If the same structure is placed onto electric field with the direction of field reversed, the deformation will be opposite. You can see this. Now the quartz crystal becomes longer due to electric field applied. Now quartz crystal becomes shorter due to electric field applied in a reverse direction. It is a self-generating transducer. It does not require an electric voltage source for operation. The electric voltage produced by the piezoelectric transducer is linearly varied to applied stress or force. Now the piezoelectric transducer has high sensitivity, so it acts as a sensor and used in accelerometer due to its excellent frequency of response. The piezoelectric effect is used in many applications that involve the production and detection of sound, electronic frequency generation. It acts as an ignition source of cigarette lighter and used in sonar, microphone, force, pressure and displacement measurement. किसी को कोई डाउट पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक में? इजी है, इट इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट ट्रांसड्यूसर. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Just write, make the diagram and just write the basic things from it. बना लिया डायग्राम?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the definition. Done?
No, ma'am. मैम ये नीचे वाला भी लिखना है, द इलेक्ट्रिक वोल्टेज वाला।
हाँ लिख सकते हो, काम आ जाएगा, याद रहेगा कैसे काम करता है। फंक्शन तो एक बार लिख लो ना, बेसिक।
ओके मैम।
ये खाली विजय लिख रहा है या और भी सब लोग लिख रहे हैं?
यस मैम।
सबके पीडीएफ सबमिट करवाऊंगी मैं, नोट्स के। मार्क्स तभी लगाऊंगी 75 में से, याद रखना है। हो गया?
यस मैम।
एप्लीकेशन देख लेते हैं, एप्लीकेशन इम्पोर्टेंट भी है, फिर आप उसके बाद इसके बाद एप्लीकेशन लिख लेना, ठीक है? Now using piezoelectric materials, piezoelectric transducer can be used in variety of applications, including in microphones, the sound pressure is converted into an electrical signal, and this signal is ultimately amplified to produce a louder sound. Automobile seat belts lock in response to a rapid deceleration is also done using a piezoelectric material. Third point, it is also used in medical diagnostics. Fourth point, it is used in electric lighter used in kitchen. The pressure made on piezoelectric sensor creates an electric signal which ultimately causes the flash to fire up. ये आप देख भी सकते हैं, अपने घरों में लाइटर होगा, उसमें देखना लगा होगा. Now they are used for studying high speed shock waves and blast waves, used in fertility treatment, used in inkjet printers. It is also used in restaurants or airports where a person steps near the door and the door opens automatically. In this, the concept used is when the person is near the door, pressure is exerted, person weight on the sensor, due to which the electric effect is produced and the door opens automatically. ये सब आपने लाइव एग्जांपल्स देखे होंगे, देख रखे हैं सारे. माइक्रोफोन्स भी ऑल आर यूजिंग सीट बेल्ट्स, इलेक्ट्रिक
यस मैम।
लाइटर्स, देन डोर ओपन ऑटोमेटिकली. हमने सब कुछ देखा हुआ है, ठीक है? नाउ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल कौन कौन से होते हैं? बेरियम टाइटेनेट, lead zirconate titanate, Rochelle salt. Now the piezoelectric ultrasonic transducer, it produces frequencies that are far above that which can be heard by the human ear. It expands and contracts rapidly when subjected to any voltage. It is typically used in vacuum cleaner. Piezo buzzer, a buzzer is anything that produces sound. They are driven by oscillating electronic circuit. A piezoelectric element may be driven by an oscillating electronic circuit or another audio signal source, driven with piezoelectric audio amplifier. A blip, a ring, or a beep are commonly used sound to indicate that a button has been pressed. Piezoelectric buzzer depends on acoustic cavity resonance or Helmholtz resonance to produce an audible beep. Now, piezoelectric transducer advantage. The advantages of piezoelectric transducers are no need for an external force, easy to handle and use it has small dimensions, high frequency response, it means the parameters change very rapidly. Disadvantages क्या है? It is not suitable for measurement in static conditions. It is affected by temperatures. The output is low as some external circuit is attached to it. It is very difficult to give the desired shape to this material and also the desired length. This was your piezoelectric transducer. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? These are the very easiest transducer. इसकी एप्लीकेशंस, एक मटेरियल लिख लो, मटेरियल से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, और एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस लिख लो. देन वी विल डू स्ट्रेन गॉज. 5 मिनट्स दे रही हूँ, जरा थोड़ी जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. राइट डाउन द एप्लीकेशंस, थोड़ा थोड़ा लिख लेना, जैसे माइक्रोफोन्स ऑटोमेटिक, पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स लिख लो, फिर एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. Yes, class done. Applications.
यस मैम।
तो बता दिया करो ना,
बस अभी हुआ था मैम।
एग्जाम्पल्स लिख लो और फिर इनके ऐड कर राइट डाउन द मटेरियल, क्योंकि कई बार मटेरियल से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है। None material.
यस मैम।
Write down the advantages and disadvantages. Is class done?
नो मैम।
चलो ऑन द मीनवाइल फिर आप लोग अपनी अटेंडेंस दे दीजिए मुझे। एक कल ना मैं आपके साथ वो भी शेयर करूंगी, आपकी असाइनमेंट, ठीक है। आशीष शुक्ला, आशीष शुक्ला इज नॉट देयर। अनीश रंजन, निधि कुमारी, पारस,
मैम।
पीयूष,
यस मैम।
प्रभा, प्रभा आई थी ना, प्रद्युमन, राहुल गौर,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
राजीव, रंजन, ऋषभ, सौरभ,
मैम मेल लगा दी मैम अटेंडेंस मैम। राहुल।
राहुल लगा दी बता, विजय,
ओके मैम। मैम ऋषभ प्रेजेंट।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
यश, हो गया।
यस मैम।
नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेन गॉज। स्ट्रेन गॉज पढ़ा है आपने कभी? व्हाट इज स्ट्रेन गॉज?
नो मैम।
नहीं पढ़ा? अच्छा पढ़ा होना चाहिए स्ट्रेन गॉज तो, आपके उसमें फिजिक्स वाली लैब में होगा स्ट्रेन गॉज, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग।
मैम ठीक से याद नहीं आ रहा मैम।
कोई बात नहीं। A strain gauge is a resistor used to make used to measure strain on an object. When an external force is applied on an object, due to which there is deformation occurs in the shape of the object. कभी आपने नोटिस किया है कि कभी भी आप कोई ऐसी चीज पे स्ट्रेन डालते हैं, तो सपोज बैलून का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं। बैलून, इसमें गैस भरी होती है। आपने देखा होगा जैसे ही आप उसको जिस शेप में चाहें आप हाथ रख के उसको उस शेप में दे सकते हैं, है ना। शेप चेंज हो जाती है, मतलब उसकी ओरिजिनल शेप से वो थोड़ा डिफॉर्म हो जाएगा। Now this deformation in the shape is both compressive or tensile is called strain, and it is measured by strain gauge. When an object deforms within the limits of elasticity, either it becomes narrower and longer or it becomes shorter or broader. दो केस हो सकते हैं, या तो वो छोटा हो जाता है। आप इलास्टिक का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए। इलास्टिक को अगर आप खींचते हैं रबड़ बैंड को, तो क्या होता है, whenever we take a rubber band, तो वो लूज हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, या फिर वो क्या होगा, बहुत टाइट हो जाएगा और छोटा सा हो जाएगा। तो दिस इज द डिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म। As a result, there is a change in resistance end to end. Now the strain gauge is sensitive to that small changes occur in the geometry of an object. By measuring the change in resistance of an object, the amount of induced stress can be calculated. Now the change in resistance normally has small value, and to sense that small change, strain gauge has a long thin metallic strip arranged in zigzag pattern on a non-conducting material called the carrier, so that it can enlarge the small amount of stress in the group of parallel lines and could be measured with high accuracy. The gauge is literally glued onto the device by an adhesive. Now, when an object shows physical deformation, its electrical resistance gets changed, and that change is then measured by gauge. Now, strain gauge bridge circuit. Now, strain gauge bridge circuit shows the measured stress by the degree of disparity and uses a voltmeter in the center of the bridge to provide an accurate measurement of that imbalance. You can see here, three resistances are there, voltage supply is there. Now in this circuit, R1 and R3 are in the ratio arms equal to each other, and R2 is the rheostat arm, has a value equal to the strain gauge resistance. When the gauge is unstrained, the bridge is balanced and the voltmeter shows zero value. As there is a change in resistance of strain gauge, the bridge gets unbalanced and producing an indication at the voltmeter. The output voltage from the bridge can be amplified further by a differential amplifier. Now the variation of temperature strain gauge. One more factor that affects the resistance of the gauge is temperature. If the temperature is more, resistance will be more, and if the temperature is less, the resistance will be less. This is a common property of all the conductors. We can overcome this problem by using strain gauge that are self-temperature compensated or via dummy strain gauge technique. Now, most of the strain gauges are of constant alloy, which cancel out the effect of temperature on the resistance. But some strain gauges are not of an isolectric alloy. In such cases, dummy gauge is used in place of R2 in the quarter bridge strain gauge circuit, which acts as a temperature compensation device. Now, whenever temperature changes, the resistance will change in the same proportion in the both arms of the rheostat, and the bridge remains in the state of balance. Effect of temperature gets nullified. It is good to keep voltage low so that self-heating of strain gauge could be avoided. Self-heating of gauge depends upon its mechanical behavior. Now this arrangement is considered as quarter bridge. There are two more arrangements, half bridge and full bridge configurations, which give greater sensitivity over the quarter bridge circuit. Still the quarter bridge circuit is widely used in strain measurement systems. Now, uses of strain gauge in the field of mechanical engineering development to measure the stress generated by machinery, in the field of component testing of aircraft like linkages, structural damage, etc. That's all for the strain gauge. All of you just make the diagram of strain gauge and write what is strain gauge and its uses. Hurry up, we are left with only 2 minutes. जल्दी जल्दी लिखिए सब लोग. Write down the definition. Diagram बना लिया सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
नो मैम, डायग्राम दिखाई मैम.
Write down the what is strain gauge.